Okay, so today is Saturday, it's Christmas Eve, and we were out running errands, so we decided to go ahead and get this one knocked off of our list. Blinds for the 2 bathrooms and our bedroom. I really wasn't crazy about doing blinds, but we do need a little privacy. We also finished up some last-minute Christmas shopping, and I baked some cookies for my sweet son-in-law when we got home. I know we mentioned last week that this is a very different Christmas for us. We are usually traveling back from Texas on Christmas Day, so it's been really strange not being there this week with family, but Mike and I did just enjoy a wonderful worship service this morning with our church family and then just a quiet afternoon together. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and I just happened to look out the back window and spot this beautiful rainbow. It's a little bit sprinkly out, but just wanted to share that with you. We will be doing Christmas with our kiddos this evening, so I'm sure I'll give you a little glimpse of that. But anyways, just wanted to share this beautiful blessing with you this morning. Baking is not generally my forte. I made those chocolate chip cookies the other day, and then for Christmas I decided I would make some fun treats, these white chocolate dipped Oreos, and then these fun little pretzel Christmas trees. We've been doing this for a couple of Christmases now, breakfast for dinner. Everybody seems to love it. Weston was certainly enjoying it, and it was just so much fun having the kids here and being here all together for our first Christmas in the house at the farm. And I might mention, this is our last Christmas as a family of 9. Curry's due any day now, and Zoe's not far behind. Okay, it's Tuesday. Surprise! Jose is here doing our backsplash today. And this is just getting the kitchen one step closer to complete. I know it looks very complete, but if you'll notice right down there at the bottom, the toe kicks have not yet been installed. I think we either forgot to do that or it just kind of got shoved to the back burner due to Christmas and festivities and all, but that is going to get done this week. And then we can say that the kitchen, well, no, not true. I still have to put shelving up over there to the right of the window, but then the kitchen will be complete. So we're getting there, you guys. We're getting there. Okay, check this out. It is so beautiful. If you can't really tell here, the tile does have a bit of a texture to it. I wanted to keep it simple. I had originally planned to have something different here, and I'm so incredibly thankful that I changed my mind when I did, because I am absolutely loving this tile. All right, so I keep mentioning the original tile that I had chosen for the backsplash in the kitchen. Well, here we are in the spare bathroom laundry room, and this is where it's going. I think I'm sometimes afraid to step out of the box and show my bold side. Well, here it is. This is quite bold, and I think this was the perfect place to add a little pop and personality right here in the laundry room. And by the way, we still have some finishing touches to do in here, including a panel between the washer dryer and cabinet there, and then repairing sheetrock, adding some shelves and a towel hook, and then of course we still need a shower door in there, but don't worry, that's coming soon.
Well, good morning everybody. I am doing a little filming today. I'm going to show you the windows. We're going to go ahead and silicone these windows today. Karen is actually at the hospital with Curry. Woo! She is going to give birth at least today, maybe tomorrow, and I am going to do this. I'm going to go up to the hospital when she gets a little closer to delivery time, but Karen went ahead and went up there. I'm going to do all of the windows in the house, and of course bedroom windows, etc., etc. And that way we can take this plastic off the windows, and instead of having plastic, we'll get the beautiful shades that we bought and put them on there. mini blinds, or actually I guess I don't call them mini blinds anymore. But anyhow, here you go. You'll see that when I'm done. Okay guys, I have just finished the last of the windows. Of course, in the video, it's seconds. It took me probably about 10 or 15 minutes, not that long. I'm gonna try very hard to put everything back exactly the way it is or was, and see if Karen actually notices or not. By the time we get home, she's gonna be so excited about little Greenlee being born, and you guys are gonna know all about that in later parts of the video. But anyhow, beautiful day outside. Excited to see our granddaughter come into the world.
Here she is, you guys, Greenlee Shay. She is absolute perfection. Curry and Braden did such an amazing job bringing her into this world today, and I was so blessed to witness that and get to be a part of it. Okay, so Mike informed you yesterday that I was not here. I was at the hospital. Sweet little Greenlee Shay was born. And guys, she's perfect, she's amazing, she's beautiful, and they're coming home from the hospital today. So I've just been trying to get things finished up. Mike showed you that he did the silicone around the windows yesterday, and I put these blinds up. I did in fact notice that something was up when I came home from the hospital yesterday, because I could smell something, and I was like, what is that smell? It smells like glue. And he played dumb about it and all, but when we were getting ready to go to bed last night, he goes, I can't believe you didn't put the blinds up. And I was like, what the heck? You still haven't siliconed. And he in fact had already done that. So I'm not crazy about blinds, especially this kind, because I just have never liked them, but we needed privacy. So he says, I was fine with open windows. No, we had plastic over the windows, like, sorry for the mess. Like you see here, I'm about to come in here and put this blind up, and then we'll be able to open, close, let light in, all that jazz. But anywho, just wanted to show you that. My blinds did not fit this window perfectly. Gave them the measurements and all, but some of our windows are a little more narrow in some points than the others, so they weren't perfectly straight. So I just took these blinds out to my chop saw, stuck them in there, and trimmed them up. These are those level blinds from Lowe's. But just a little tip for you, you can trim these suckers at home if you have a chop saw. All right, I got that one put up. Now we can have our beautiful view out the window if we want, with these blinds blocking it. But it'll all be good. Some light is better than no light or plastic. All right, you guys, check this out. We have been so preoccupied with baby and all. I think I even forgot to mention that Oklahoma Glass came out while we were gone, hospital, all that jazz, and installed this spare bath shower. Super, super happy to have that now, because Curry and Braden will be staying here, or are staying here. So the spare bath is ready for them, and the glass is beautiful. Highly recommend Oklahoma Glass. They did our master bath as well, and you know how pleased we were with that. So beautiful, beautiful. Remember the antique door roadside find that we found at an antique shop way back yonder when? Well, I decided today was the day to pull it out and start working on it. Took all the hardware off of it, kind of got the window back in place. It was kind of janky and falling off, but then I power washed it and scrubbed it with some Dawn dish soap and did a little number on it. And I'm just not certain what I'm going to do from here. Curry and Braden and baby are still not home. They've had some issues with Greenlee's jaundice levels, so they're getting that under control before they make the jaunt home, which is a good thing. So in the meantime, I've just been doing little things. I've showed you the windows. Mike got those siliconed, and I put the blinds up, and then just little things around here that you know, it's not worth filming to show you. But I just went out, as you saw, and put my antique door out and power washed it and scrubbed it down a little bit. And I'm really trying to decide. I want to keep like the nostalgia of it all, but I'm a little nervous because that paint that's on there and chipping off is very, very old. And now we have little babies around here, and I don't want anybody to go up to the door, pick a piece off, and paint goes straight to the mouth. So I think it got a little chilly on me. Today was a beautiful day, but I put everything up, and now I'm inside, and I'm gonna make a big old pot of stew, and yeah. But about the door, I think I may get like some paint stripper and strip it down completely to the raw wood and see what it looks like. I might paint it, like scrape it, sand it, paint it. I don't know. It's just gonna be one of those things. I've gotta kind of just play around with it and see what happens. But until then, I'm cooking dinner. Mike should be home. He's been helping our son Colby build an amazing pipe fence for the last few days. So it's just been kind of me hanging here by myself a lot, just getting those little things done. But we'll do a porch talk for you here in a little bit whenever he gets home to kind of wrap up our week. It's been crazy. But again, I'll just let you watch me make beef stew for now if you'd like. By the way, have I told y'all how much I am loving cooking in this kitchen? I think I have, but just in case I haven't, and this is your first time catching the vlog, my kitchen is amazing and I love it so much. Here, let's look around again. Oh, I've put out some new decor. We got down all the Christmas stuff. I don't think I told you this, it's kind of funny. Curry is very OCD. And if you know our family very well, you know that about her, so I'm not telling anything new. But the night we celebrated Christmas, which was Monday, after Hunter and Zoe and Colby and Alyssa left, she was like, Mom, are you ready to take down your Christmas decor? And I was like, well, tomorrow. She's like, can we do it now? So I think that was part of her nesting mode, but we took down the tree that was over there, took down all that decor, any other little stuff that I had sitting around, and cleared the way. And I got out my other stuff, that same things that I had in my other house, which I really loved, all that stuff. But yeah, so it's fun to just have some of my old stuff back, which we did get rid of a lot of stuff, but home decor I wanted to keep because it was great. The curtain over there, I don't know if I've showed you guys that or not, but that's just kind of the curtain between their room and the living room for now until we get the barn door done, which who knows when that'll happen. Hopefully sooner than later. So, yeah. With high hopes of Curry and Braden coming home tonight with baby Greenlee, I wanted to make a nice hearty meal for them, so I figured this beef stew would be great. They both love this meal, and so I think that they will really enjoy it. It's definitely a change of pace from hospital food and fast food that they've been eating on the last few days. Okay, so question. Do you like raw potatoes? Some people love them, some people hate them. Personally, I grew up when my mom was cooking, always grabbed a salt shaker and ate a raw potato. I love them. Some people think I'm crazy. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Raw potatoes or no? As I was finishing up cooking dinner, I glanced over my shoulder and saw this amazing sunset out the window. So I just wanted to step out here and show you guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
We have this
Hey.
thing. Wait. We have this thing. It's 5:55. So we go and we kiss the clock 5 times or whatever time it is. And
4:44.
he saw it over there on a
2:22.
clock, and I just saw it over here. So yeah, it's our thing.
Weird but true. Weird but true. It is another Friday, and we accomplished a little bit here at the farm. I know I did I did a lot with Colby, my middle boy, and
he's mine too.
He's
Just
well,
saying.
yeah, he's
Our
middle boy. But we were working on, and we'll be working on a really nice pipe fence. He's a welder, and so I've been helping him set pipe and set poles and plan it all out, and he's in most of that. But anyway, we've been doing a lot of that, me and him, and enjoying that time together since he's just been back. And I'm sure you'll see plenty of his welding skills because he'll be doing stuff around here on many occasions. So I'm working for free, but he's got to do stuff around here for me, so that'll work out good.
Yeah, it was a great week. Christmas was on Sunday. We celebrated Monday with the family. You saw those pictures. And then the backsplash, which is amazing. And then the baby, which is even more amazing. And
should have a lot of whoops.
Yeah, it's a whoop whoop week. What else?
They're not home yet, though.
No, we're still waiting on them. But hopefully, I made this big pot of stew, which we're about to chow down on.
If you could only smell this, you'd be like,
I think it's the best I've ever made.
it's really good.
Yeah,
It's
so
pretty good.
I don't know why. Maybe it's
We got a shower.
We've had a shower.
I mean,
we got
a shower door.
Yeah,
so
I forgot to say that on my video earlier. It's the door, not the shower.
shower
but
door, and
anyways. You did the windows.
did a little bit of
And then y'all,
silicone.
he said he was going to put everything back and see if I noticed. And I smelled something. I don't know if I told y'all this, but I could smell like glue when I came home. And I was like, what is that smell?
I was like, I don't know.
And
What's
then-
your smell? I don't smell very good.
And then like 9 o'clock that night, we were getting ready to go to bed. And he goes, I can't believe you didn't put those blinds up today. And I went, well, because I'm waiting for you to finish siliconing. And
And I already did it.
he had already done it. But I put the blinds up, and guess who didn't even notice?
Not fair. I did notice the one in the window of our bedroom. I did not notice the one in my office, which was really weird, but she had it left open, so, I saw light and that was good.
Mm-hmm.
But I noticed the one in the bedroom immediately. I was like, oh, you did the blinds, woo!
Yeah.
Just exactly in that voice. Oh, yeah! Like that. It happened. But she didn't notice any of the silicone stuff.
I did.
None.
And I noticed the smell.
That was pretty funny. And apparently I didn't put one of the things back exactly, so she moved it and goes, somebody moved that. But she didn't notice.
I did notice that things had been moved. That's very true. Yes.
Yeah.
So I knew something was up. But anyways, it was a good week.
Fun stuff.
I honestly, I don't even know what week this is.
Ooh,
Or was.
Yeah, I don't either.
No idea.
It's in the
Lost track.
40s. Pretty sure it's in the 40s. Yeah. But anyway, not that it matters.
Nope. But
We don't keep track. Maybe you guys keep better track. I think it's 44. It could be 45, 45, 46, 47.
No idea.
It's in the 40s.
I asked you guys a question earlier when I was cooking. Raw potatoes with salt or no? So be sure to answer that question. Let me know. I like them. Do you like them?
Love raw
Yeah,
potatoes.
I think it's good for your stomach too. I think. I
Who
don't know.
knows?
I think my mom told me that one time. Maybe so I would eat them. I don't know.
Happy New Year. We're just talking about nothing.
Yeah, happy
New Year.
We don't
Man,
have
2023.
we don't really have any big plans. We might go bowling.
Whoop, whoop.
That's about it. So happy New Year. It's been a great 2022 with you guys, and we'll just keep trucking on into 2023.
Yep. Y'all take care.
As always, if you have not yet checked out the Flipping the Farm playlist, please do so. Just click right here on the video that you see on the screen and it will take you there. Thanks again for watching.